Hello, welcome to AI Factory. A recently released open-source AI model called DeepSeek has quickly taken the internet by storm. Touted as a formidable rival to OpenAI, it's completely free, open source, and commercially usable with its weights available. DeepSeek is making waves. But is it truly a breakthrough for content creators? Could it even outshine ChatGPT+? In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes of how I leverage DeepSeek in my workflow to streamline content creation and unlock new opportunities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, you won't want to miss this chance to see how AI can transform your content strategy and help you generate real online income. Let's dive in and get started. To witness the power of DeepSeek AI, I'm going to demonstrate how to create captivating animal rescue story videos using DeepSeek AI and other AI tools. We'll dive into the success of a channel that garnered 476,000 subscribers in just 3 months with only 128 videos. And it's not just an isolated case. Many channels in this niche are flourishing. This isn't merely luck. It's a strategic blend of well-thought-out plans and intelligent tools that enable creators to produce viral content without ever showing their face. Whether you're embarking on your content creation journey or seeking ways to enhance your channel's performance, you can't afford to miss this in-depth reveal. Stay tuned until the end. First, visit the reference channel you want to analyze. Copy all the relevant information and paste it into DeepSeek, and ask it to analyze this channel. I will include the links I used in this video below in the description area. Feel free to check them out. It quickly provided me with an accurate result. Channel overview, content themes, video analysis, audience engagement, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, and conclusion. Very detailed. It gave me a comprehensive analysis. If we want to create a similar channel, we can draw inspiration for video content from this analysis. The theme of animal rescues can be quite broad, so if you haven't pinpointed the perfect content or theme yet, you can generate 20 title ideas that align with the content style of this channel. These titles should be designed to be dramatic, emotionally charged, and SEO optimized. Here are the 20 themes it provided me with. Now, I have specific video ideas incorporating key features like emotional triggers, dramatic scenarios, SEO optimization, compassionate tone, and high click potential. That's amazing. I think ChatGPT doesn't provide these kinds of results. After reviewing all the titles, I chose the tragic loss. Baby seal dies from plastic pollution, sparks global outrage story. Then, I asked DeepSeek to create a heartwarming rescue short story script based on this theme. The result exceeded expectations. This script reads like a highly realistic documentary, capturing the short and tragic life of a little seal from a documentary perspective. It has a strong visual impact and educational value and includes a call to action. I feel that if a video were to be made based on this script, it would be a highly compelling documentary worth watching. I think it might even be better than ChatGPT. Next, we need to create image prompts for this script. Let's ask DeepSeek once more to generate highly detailed image prompts that match the animal rescue story scenes. Provided me with 6 scenes, and for each scene it gave me 3 different perspectives as requested. This makes it easy for us to copy these prompts and generate images. Let's try using one of the most popular AI image generation tools, Leonardo.AI. Visit its website and first choose a model. There are 13 models available, with the 2 Flux models recently added. If you're not familiar with Flux models, check out my previous tutorial, 3 ways to access Flux.1 for free, Flux AI tutorial, to learn more. Here, I want to try the Flux Schnell model. Click on it, select the image size, and choose to generate 4 images. Leave the other settings as they are. Paste the copied prompts here and click Generate. The process is quite fast, and 4 images will be generated. They may not all be perfect, so we can try again. This time, 2 of them look good. Let's also test another model, the lifelike model. Click Generate, and this time the generated images are all great and very cute. We can save these for future use. This way, we can generate images for the remaining scenes one by one. However, please note that Leonardo.AI gives you 150 tokens per day, which will refill the next day. If you want to generate unlimited images, you can try deploying DeepSeek Janus Pro 7B locally. Please refer to my tutorials, and how to deploy and set up DeepSeek are 1. Now let's add a voiceover for the video. First, go to the script generated by DeepSeek and copy the narrator parts. Then paste them into a Google document. Next, we will use 11 Labs, a realistic, high-quality, lifelike voice AI generator. Click on Get Started Free, and in the left panel, click Text-to-Speech. Paste the copied voiceover text here, then choose a voice. There are both male and female voices available, so select the one that suits your preference and the story content. Finally, click Generate Speech, and you're done. There are several AI tools available for image-to-video generation. Runway is a highly effective tool that generates high-quality videos. Another great option is Luma Dream Machine, which also produces high-quality videos from images. I have tutorial videos for them, which you can check out on my channel. I use Minimax, also known as Leonardo.AI. This text-to-video and image-to-video AI tool enhances the quality of a simple video. Picked the best images and uploaded them to Minimax AI, and pasted the prompts used to generate the images. After you have all the videos, it's time to put them together. I recommend using CapCut, a powerful AI video editing tool that you can download to your computer or use online. I won't spend time on that here, as I have another video tutorial titled How to Create Viral Animal Rescue Videos for Massive Views. This tutorial covers all the detailed information from scripting and image generation to video editing and adding background music. If you're interested in learning how to create similar videos, please visit my channel to check it out. This video demonstrates how to use DeepSeek for content creation to make viral videos. I'll use another channel as an example, Bible in a Nutshell. This channel has 276,000 subscribers and 137 videos, with some videos garnering millions of views. Let's use DeepSeek to analyze how they achieved such success in attracting viewers. Copy all the content and paste it into DeepSeek, then ask it to analyze the channel. DeepSeek provides a detailed analysis, including the main content, popular topics, video formats, AI animation techniques, target audience, strengths, areas for improvement, and, most importantly, monetization and growth strategies and revenue streams. If you're interested in creating a similar channel but don't know where to start, ask DeepSeek to generate 20 YouTube video title ideas similar to the content style of Bible in a Nutshell. This way, DeepSeek quickly provides 20 highly attractive titles, focusing on dramatic, emotionally charged, SEO-optimized, trending Christian topics using 3D Pixar-style animation. The first topic I want to create a video for is What Happens After You Die? Heaven or Hell Explained in 3D Animation, and the 13th topic, The Story of Jonah, Swallowed by a Whale in 3D Animation, looks pretty interesting and should attract viewers. If I were the audience, I would be interested in watching these videos. I asked DeepSeek to write a short script for the topic, What Happens After You Die? Heaven or Hell Explained in 3D Animation. It begins with a question. What happens after death? The narrator introduces heaven and hell as 2 eternal destinations, guided by biblical teachings. This video seems to blend educational content with an engaging narrative. It explains heaven and hell in a documentary style based on biblical scriptures, but designed to be visually immersive and emotionally captivating to attract and retain viewers. The use of 3D animation, dramatic transitions, and thought-provoking questions makes it more engaging than traditional documentaries. It aims to captivate the audience, spark curiosity, and encourage interaction, such as subscriptions. Next, I asked DeepSeek to create highly detailed image prompts that align with the scenes for this story. The prompts should provide at least 3 different perspectives and compositions for each scene, ensuring a variety of viewpoints. DeepSeek provides me with 5 scenes. Each scene includes 3 prompts. We can use Leonardo.AI to generate images and then convert them to video, or directly use these AI video generation tools to create the video by pasting the prompts. However, since you want to create 3D Pixar-style animation, you should make sure to include the phrase, a vibrant 3D character in Pixar Disney style, with expressive features and lifelike textures in each prompt. So, I added it and asked DeepSeek to regenerate the image prompts again. This time, you'll notice a Pixar-style character in each prompt, and you can use these prompts to generate images. In one of my previous tutorials, how to create viral 3D Bible animations for social media, I delve into the secrets behind the success of such Bible channels and demonstrate the steps to edit the final video, as well as reveal the process of creating 3D Pixar-style animations in these 2 additional videos. Interested viewers can find these tutorials on my channel. I believe this video has provided a clear understanding of DeepSeek's analytical capabilities. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.